Hello, I'm Barry Howell. I'm the co-founder of TexasBestDocs.com, and I wanted to tell you how our site works. So when you arrive at TexasBestDocs.com, we would encourage you to go ahead and register for an account. It's free. And once you're registered, you can go to the search bar, put in the specialty of a physician that you're looking for, or you may know their name. You can put their name in, and then you'll go to the zip code or the city that they're located in, and then just hit search. And then you should get a list of providers that are close to your criteria that you input. From there, you can click on the provider and look at their demographic information, such as their email, their website, their physical address, their phone number. And what you're really going to want to look for is that green check mark that says no board actions found. That's what we are. That's what sets us apart. If it's a red colored check mark that says board actions found, you'll have the opportunity to click on that and you get 2 free searches with a free registration. And so it'll ask you, are you sure you want to use one of these searches? And you'll just click yes, and then you can see the board information and make your care decisions from there. So you get 2 of those to try it out, and then after that it's a low subscription amount for unlimited searches, and more importantly, DocWatch, which is our feature for monitoring. So you'll be able to assign 10 physicians to your DocWatch. And the reason that's important is the physicians you and your family may be seeing, sometimes your parents or a friend, it'll alert you if there are board actions so you can constantly monitor the status of your physicians and make better care decisions. So thank you for visiting our website. It's been a passion project for many years, and our goal is to bring transparency to Texas and beyond. So we want to partner with you in your care journey. So continue to use us and provide us feedback and tell us what you think. We want to make it useful for you and your family.